Next Monday, we honor Dr. Martin Luther King, who had the vision and the strength to help lead African American people and all of us to help make America a better and more democratic country, to truly help us create that more perfect union. And Dr. King was already active when Rosa Parks made her what we think of as classic civil rights movement of refusing to sit in the segregated section of a bus. Well, why did Mrs. Parks do that? Was she tired from her long day at work? In her own words, she said the only thing that she was tired of was giving in to white people. And as a matter of fact, Mrs. Parks was a member of the NAACP that Dr. King was also a member of, that had been working for civil and social equality for African Americans for many years. And her group had been talking about, in some way, challenging segregation. And Rosa Parks had been to several meetings with the NAACP talking about tactics and how to do that kind of thing and what might work, sort of strategy sessions. And on that fateful day in December, when she was asked to move, she decided it was time. And she stood up for all African Americans by staying seated down.